सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः and welcome to our today's 203rd class today on 29th of September 2014. We are for the last few classes been studying very thoroughly, very closely the pronouns which are an important part of Sanskrit language and hence help us in understanding the literature. There are various types of pronouns as you have already watched them, beginning with demonstrative, interrogative, relative, correlative, self, and we are also there. Some are not touched so far, but types of relatives are pronouns are there. And then personal pronouns we are studying. We started in the previous class. Personal refers to the Yushmad and Asmad, you and I pronouns, and several demonstrative and relative pronouns have been studied. So in the study of the pronouns, if you have observed, also you have to make one as a model pronoun. Take one pronoun, tad demonstrative, as a model and see how the others are derived. Generally there is a follow-up, there is a similarity between the tad and etad, kim, all the demonstrative pronouns, and except in coming to the personal pronoun there is a lot of difference. Yushmad, Asmad differ a lot, but unlike so please watch the similarities, and because in the learning of Sanskrit there is some amount of memorization is necessary which can't be escaped. The book always is already written in a fashion not to bother the students with the several rules of sandhi, samasa and vibhaktis. To derive a noun in its entirety, prathama to saptami, there are so many applications which are there. Sometimes even we forget because we have not been teaching those things traditional manner, and that takes a lot of time. But ultimately what do we want? Siddhamannam. We want the ready-made food. Who has the time to go through all those rules and regulations to learn? Because if you are told to learn this way, one model, then all the other akarantas, like for example, one noun studied in totality, akaranta, all akarantas follow suit. There ends the matter. So instead of telling you the application, how this Ramaha is derived, Rama is derived, Rama has derived, applying the supratyas, etc., and several other things. So the book is not bothered about that. It is giving you the ready food. Like we say, Siddhamannam parityajya viksham atati durmatihi. A foolish fellow goes for begging, leaving the food which is readily available. So this book is a Siddhamannam, but in this also minimum effort from your side, from the student side, is that you have to go by my suggestions and make some nouns, some pronouns as model nouns and model pronouns, and on that basis you please study. You will be seeing the difference of comprehension and how you can understand and improve yourself. So that is my suggestion to you. We move on to page 300 today in our class. In the previous class we started off with Yushmad Shabda. Here it is. Srinivas, you can show them Yushmad Shabda, fully given out along with the sentence formations here. Tvam kim karoshi, tvam, tvam, tvaya, tubhyam, and mind you, the double forms are for the sake of beginners, are not given in the sentence formation, and they are given down there in the same page 300. You can also look to the double forms are appearing in the Dvitiya, Chaturthi and Shashti. the odd numbers, second, fourth and sixth. You can see that. So tvam kim karoshi tvam. So I just want to repeat here. Tvam tvam tvaya tubhyam tvat tavat tvai. Tvam is very close, as I said in my previous class, to English to thou, and which becomes thou, Old English. Tvam, and in Hindi it becomes tum. Very easy. Tvam, now these are derivations. Tvaya, by you, tubhyam, for you, tvat, from you, tava, your, tvai, in you, and the extension dvivachana, bahuvachana, yuvam, yuvam, yuvabhyam, yuvabhyam, yuvayoho, yuvayoho, yuyam, yushman, yushmavihi, yushmabhyaha, yushmabhyam, and then yushmat, yushmakam, and yushmasu. Well, coming to the pronouns here, in this pronoun you see Chaturthi Bahuvachana and Panchami Bahuvachana, rightly pointed out, are not repeated here in the Bahuvachana. Unlike the nouns which get the similarity here. So watch and proceed, please. Now for the full look of the pronoun, you look down. Etani Rupani Smarata. Now you remember these. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam, tvam, tva. This is tva, double form. Now there is a rule in Sanskrit that you never begin a sentence with the second form of the pronoun. We cannot begin a sentence with tvam aham kathayami, I can say, but not tva aham kathayami. It can't, tva cannot begin a sentence. It can come afterwards. Aham tva I can say. Tva aham I cannot say. Aham tva sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami mashucha. Final word of Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, 18th chapter, final. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja. Aham tva, use this tva. Tva means there aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishyami. I will deliver you from all types of sins. You just surrender unto me. Tva, aham tva, sarva papebhyo. There the Vyasa has used tva, the second form, not tvam. So like that you have to understand. So look here, tvam, tva, yuvam, vam. Then vam is there as a double form in the dvivachana, in the prathama, dvitiya dvivachana, and in the bahuvachana, Yushman, vaha. Vaha means to you. Yushman and vaha both are there. And the meanings I have told, Srinivas? Tvaya, by you, Ishma, Yuvabhyam, Ishmabhyam, Ishmabhi, sorry, Tubhyam, te, Tubhyam. Both are very frequently used one. Like Namastubhyam, Namaste. In the examples, Namaste, Namahate, Namaskara to you, Namastubhyam, both are there. Because Namaha is coming first, so anything can be used. Te Namaha I cannot say. Tubhyam Namaha I can say. If I use the Tubhyam or Te, which one, anyone first, I can only use Tubhyam, not Te. Tubhyam Namaha, but not Te Namaha. Namaste is correct. So Yuvabhyam Vam, then Ishmabhyam Vaha. So same are repeated here. Repetitions are same, but in the singulars they are changing. If you see Dvitiya Dvivachana, Dvitiya Ekavachana, what is the double form? Tva. What is Chaturthi Ekavachana double form? Te. What is the Shashti Ekavachana of Te? So there is a change. But in the dual number, in the Dvivachana, Vam, Vam, Vam are repeated same. No, we are talking about Dvivachana now. So same word is repeated in Dvitiya, Chaturthi, Shashti in Dvivachana. Coming to the plural, also one word is only repeated. Vaha, Vaha, Vaha. In Dvitiya, Chaturthi. So Ekavachana, you watch, Tva is becoming Te, Te in this. And Te may confuse you because it is also a demonstrative pronoun. Tad, Saha, Tau, Te. Te is very confusing in that way. Te is, by itself, Te means they. Te means those two things, those two females, because Te happens to be appearing in Napumsaka Dvivachana, Strilinga Dvivachana. It appears in feminine dual number and neuter dual number. What is the masculine plural number is becoming dual number in feminine and neuter. So there is little confusion, but I told you it can be understood in a given sentence. And now here comes another te, double form of Yushmat Shabda, te, tubhyam te. So this te is not that te. So in a given sentence you can understand. Namaste, for example, take the example. Namaste means salutation to you, my pranams to you. So te is there. Tava te, yoyoho vam ishmakam vaha, tvai yoyoho ishmasu. So please learn this and also apply the meanings here. Rapidly I am going. Tvam you, tvam about you, tvaya by you, tubhyam for you, tvat from you, tava your, of you, tvai in you. Extend the same meanings to dual and plural. Ishmakam your, ishmasu in you, ishman about you, to you, yuyam you all. So we move on to next exercise 133. Srinivas. Yushmat Shabdasya Rupaihi Vakyani Pure. Now here is an exercise for you to fill up and complete the sentence with the forms of Yushmat, the you pronoun. Srinivas, number 1. Yes. Aham Saha
Agamishyami.
So Aham Tvaya Saha Agamishyami. Very easy. I will come along with you. So Tvaya is used here in which case, Srinivas? Trutiya Ekavachana. Tvaya Saha. Tvaya Saha Agamishyami. Aham. I will come along with you. You take the number 1.
Dash Adhyapakaha Ahvayati.
Now the direction is given in the book. Bahuvachana you have to use of Yushmat Shabda. So which you think is Adhyapaka, that is teacher is calling you all. Adhyapakaha Yushman, Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Yushman Adhyapakaha Ahvayati. The teacher is calling you all. Because this is Bahuvachana, plural of Yushmat Shabda. It is not Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. So Yushman, and just now I told you the rule, you cannot take the double form here, second form here. Yushman, Vaha is there, na? Vaha Adhyapakaha Ahvayati will be totally wrong. You have to take only the first form. Yushman Adhyapakaha Ahvayati, right? Second one.
Dash Patha Vivachana.
That is going by the verb. What do you understand? Patathaha, where it is Vivachana of which person? It is second person, Madhyama Purusha. Patasi, Patathaha, Patatha. It is Madhyama Purusha, Dvivachana. Second person, dual number. So, Yuvam Patathaha, Tvam Yuvam Patathaha, Yuvam Samskritam Patathaha. You both are studying Sanskrit, right? Yuvam Gitam Patathaha. You both are studying Gita. So Yuvam is the subject you have to give. Trutiya.
Dash Gruhamasti Ekavachana. Tava Gruhamasti.
Yes, you can take Tava only. Tava Gruhamasti. That means possession here. Now I have told several times the Shashti has two meanings, relation and possession. You have a house. Your house is here otherwise. Tava Gruham Asti. Tava Gruham Asti means your house is here or you have a house, home. Fourth.
Saha dash Krudhyati.
Krudhyati. Now you have to remember the rule. Krudha Kopa. Kopa, when it is directed to against a person, that person will be put in special usage in the Chaturthi. So you have to use Chaturthi in Vivachana of Yushmat Shabda. Saha, he, Krudhyati is angry. He is angry with you both. Yuvabhyam. Saha Yuvabhyam Krudhyati. He is angry with you both. Fifth.
Dash Sa Dure Asti.
Bahuvachana. So that is to understand the sentence. Sa Dure, she is far away from you. Sa, she, Dure, at a distance, Asti, she is living far away from you. She is far away from you. So put Yushmad in Bahuvachana Panchami. What is Panchami Bahuvachana? Yushmat. So what is the Yushmat Sa Dure Asti. she is far away from you all. Understand? Huh? She is far away from you all. Understood? Yushmat sa dure asti. Sixth.
dash kataraha vaidyaha dvivachana.
So dvivachana has to come because tara has come here. The pronoun tara is katara. Which one among between you? So you put
Yuvayoha.
yes, yuvayoho kataraha vaidyaha asti. Understood? Who between you is a doctor? Who between you is a doctor? Yuvayoho kataraha vaidyaha asti is implied here. Verb, it's implied. 7.
dash dhairyam adhikam
Ekavachana. Which one you prefer, Ishmad? That is, you have more courage. Or there is more courage in you, or you have. You can use either Shashti or Saptami here. Saptami also you can. Tvayi adhikam dhairyam asti. Again here the verb becomes implied. Tvayi adhikam dhairyam asti, or tava adhikam dhairyam asti. You have. Even Shashti will not be wrong. Tava adhikam dhairyam asti, tvayi adhikam dhairyam asti. Yes, 8.
dash saha anjaneyaha sakhyam
Ichchati.
dvivachana.
So dvivachana. Saha, whenever saha yukte apradane comes, trutiya comes. Accompaniment. So you put Yushmad, dvivachana is it? Yes. Yuvabhyam saha anjaneyaha sakhyam ichchati. That is, a person by name Anjaneya wants to make friendship with you both. Anjaneya wants to make friendship with you both. Yuvabhyam saha, along with you both. Anjaneya, Mr. Anjaneya, sakhyam maitrim ichchati. Maitrim ichchati, sakhyam ichchati. Right. 9.
dash bahavaha gunaha
Shanti.
santi. Bahuvachana.
Bahuvachana only you have to use. Yushmasu. Tvayi yuvayoho yushmasu. Yushmasu bahavaha gunaha santi. You all have many good qualities, or many good qualities are there in you all. Whichever way you understand. Many good qualities are there in you all. Yushmasu bahavaha gunaha santi. 10th.
Shikshika dash bodhayati. Bahuvachana.
So teacher is teaching you all. Bahuvachana. So put dvitiya, you all. Bahuvachana, Yushman. Shikshika, Yushman bodhayati. The teacher, lady teacher, is teaching you all. Shikshika, Yushman, you all, bodhayati. Teaching. Next, 11.
dash vyakaranam rochate.
Ruchyarthanam priyamanaha chaturthi. We have already done. When something you like or somebody likes, so we put the person who likes it in chaturthi. So put chaturthi here in tubhyam vyakaranam rochate, which means tvam vyakaranam ichchasi. In direct sentence, tvam vyakaranam ichchasi, tubhyam vyakaranam rochate. Mahyam vyakaranam na rochate. I don't like vyakarana. Mahyam, but here also Srinivas, you should not put the double form here. Te vyakaranam rochate would be wrong. You cannot open a sentence with the second form. Right. Tubhyam vyakaranam rochate. Fine. 12.
dash dhanam na svikaroti. Ekavachana.
Ekavachana, not chaturthi. Dhanam na svikaroti. I don't take money from you. From in the sense of from, Panchami. Two things are possible here also. Either Panchami or Shashti. Tvat dhanam na svikaromi means I do not take money from you. Tava dhanam na svikaromi. I do not take your money. Anything is possible. See, a sentence can be made in two ways here. Tvat from you. Tvat dhanam aham na svikaromi. That means I do not accept or take money from you. Tvat. Tava dhanam aham na svikaromi. I do not take your money. So you can use tvat, which will be good, or tava. Panchami ekavachana or Shashti ekavachana of Vishma Shabda is okay.
dash
What I think the book, what is the book giving answer? See 133. We have to also check, I told you, no? Just now.
Patratva, tava.
Both are given. So both are. In the case of that, you check up that. Earlier I told you, Panchami Shashti you can use. Third one, what is the answer given? Third?
Tava.
Tava is given. But I told you, it can be Tava Gruham Asti, you have a house. If it is Tava Shashti, you have a house, it means two things. Your house is here also. Tava Gruham Atra Asti. It means both then. You have a house, your house is there. Meaning is slightly to be understood. Okay, you keep that. Next.
13. Dash Pritihi
Vivachan. Niratishaya. Yeah. I think Dvivachana means Yuvayoho. Shashti Dvivachana you have to take. Yuvayoho Pritihi Niratishaya. Your love for something is matchless. Yuvayoho Pritihi, that is it. Okay? Yuvayoho Pritihi. That is Tava Yuvayoho. It is Shashti Dvivachana. It is also Saptami Dvivachana, but it can't be Dvivachana. It is Shashti Dvivachana. 14.
dash Kolahalaha Adhikaha Jataha Bahuvachana.
Now, your Kolahala means your, what do you say, noise. Your noise has become more, or disturbance. Kolahala means also disturbance. So you Bahuvachana, Yushmakam. Tava yuvayoho ishva. Yushmakam kolahalaha adhikaha jataha. Your kolahala, making of noise, is become more, has intensified, you can say. Yes. 15.
dash Niyamapalanam Karaniyam Bahuvachana.
Now here Srinivas, which Bahuvachana you think you will have to use?
Niyamapalanam Karaniyam.
Now here you have to put Tritiya Bahuvachana of Yushma Shabda. Yushmabhihi Niyamapalanam Karaniyam. Yushmabhihi Niyamapalanam Karaniyam. This is a sentence in a passive construction. You have to follow the rules. What is the literal meaning of this? Yushmabhihi Niyamapalanam Karaniyam means you should follow. Literal meaning, Niyamapalanam means following of rule should be followed by you all. Literal translation. Niyamapalanam, that you can understand. Niyamapalanam means following of the rule. Karaniyam means should be adhered by you all. This is a passive construction. By you all, the rule should be followed. So instead of that, you should all follow a rule. Yushmabhihi Niyamapalanam Karaniyam. Or in other words, Yushmabhihi Niyamaha Palaniyaha. Niyamaha Palaniyaha. You should all obey the rule. Next.
dash Swachhataya Karyam Kutam. Dvivachana.
Dvivachana. Swachhataya Karyam Krutam. Again, Kurutam, not Krutam. Kurutam. So, Yuvam, you both. Swachhataya Karyam Kurutam. Kurutam, Kuruta. This is imperative mood. What is Kurutam? First try to understand that. This is a lot, that is imperative Agnartha, and second person, dual number. We will recall the whole thing. Kuru, first, second person's dual number. Tvam Kuru, Yuvam Kurutam, you both do. Tvam Kuru, you do. Yuvam Kurutam, you both do. Yuyam Kuruta, you all do. Okay, that is the full length of second person. If it is a third person, Karotu Kurutam Kuruvantu. Karotu kurutam kuruvantu. Karavani karavava, it comes in Uttama Purusha. Now as far as Madhyama Purusha is concerned, kuru, kurutam, kuruta, tvam kuru, yuvam kurutam, yuyam kuruta. So what is the statement here? Yuvam, you both, swachhataya means neatly, with neatness. Neatly, karyam kurutam. You both do the work neatly, with neatness. Is it okay?
Yeah.
You both do the work with neatness. So 17.
Putra dash patham patha.
Very simple. Ekavachanam. First, Prathama, you have to use Ekavachanam. Tvam. Hey Putra, Tvam patham pata. Father is asking the son, Hey Putra, Tvam patham pata. You read the lesson. Okay? Tvam patham pata. Like we say, Uttishta Jagrata Prapyavaran Nibodhata. Uttishta. Tvam Uttishta. Sometimes the subject will not be used. Only imperative verb tells you Uttishta Uttishta Govinda. I have referred to also several times. Uttishta Uttishta Govinda. Hey Govinda, Tvam Uttishta. Tvam is implied there. Not necessary, because the verb lot, when it is used in Madhyama Purusha Ekavachana, it is you only, not he or I that should get up. If it is Uttishtatu, then you have a doubt. When it is directly addressed to Govinda, Hey Govinda, Uttishta means you only, na, get up. So Tvam is dropped there, implied. Like that here, Hey Putra, here it is used. Even if you don't say Tvam here in this sentence, it is understood. Hey Putra, Patam Pata means Tvam will be implied. Hey Putra, Patam Pata means Tvam Patam Pata only. Next, 18.
Bhoho Rava.
Rava.
Acharya dash pruchati.
Some person by Rav here, like my name Rav, not Ravana. Bhoho Rava. Oh, Mr. Rao. Bhoho Rava means, oh, hello, Mr. Rao. Acharya tvam pruchati. Tvam. Yushmat Shabda Dvitiya Ekvachana. Oh, Mr. Rao, teacher is asking about you. Tvam pruchati means asking about you. Acharya tvam pruchati is asking. And finally, the 19th.
Mata dash adhikam snihyati.
You know the verb snihyati. When it comes love, you should necessarily use the saptami in the person loved. Mata tvayi adhikam, oh, bahuvachana. Yushmasu adhikam snihyati. Mata yushmasu adhikam snihyati. Which means mother loves you all very much. Mother loves you all very much, but necessarily this is a special usage with the verb sneha, to love, and you can't use yushman here. Mata yushman adhikam snihyati would be idiomatically wrong. It has to be in saptami bahuvachana, yushmasu adhikam snihyati. Mata. Over. So these things have to be written outside. You tell me. Abhyasa.
133.
Yeah, tell me.
First one. बहुवचन अध्यापकः आह्वयति. यूयम् अध्यापकः आह्वयति.
Yuyam, no, Yushman.
Yushman.
Yeah.
Number 2. युवां पठतः.
Yuvam.
Yes. पठतः.
Tvam Yuvam. Oh. Right.
सः गृहमस्ति.
What is that?
तव गृहम् अस्ति.
Okay. For
सः डैश पृच्छति बहुवचन द्विवचन युवाभ्यां सः युवाभ्यां पृच्छति.
युवाभ्याम. Oh, Saha, I need not write it. Right, fifth.
डैश सा दूरे अस्ति बहुवचनं.
Sa Yushmat.
सा दूरे अस्ति.
Sa Yushmat Dure Asti. Sixth.
डैश कतरः वैद्यः.
Kataraha.
द्विवचनं.
So here we have to write now. Note it. Yuvayoho.
युवयोः कतरः.
7.
त्वयि धैर्यम् अधिकम्.
Tvai. 8.
युवां सः आञ्जनेयः सख्यम् इच्छति.
Yuvabhyam. Anjaneya Sakyam Ichati. Right. 9.
युष्मासु बहवः गुणाः सन्ति.
Right.
शिक्षिका डैश बोधयति बहुवचनं.
Yushman. Shikshika Yushman. Bodhayat. 11. 11.
तुभ्यं व्याकरणं बोधयति. चतुर्थी.
Tubhyam. So in the beginning the word comes
तुभ्यं.
Tubhyam dash dash.
Yeah.
Vyakaranam rochati. Yes.
डैश धनं न स्वीकरोति.
Yushmat.
एकवचनं.
Ekavachanam.
एकवचनं.
Tvat. 13.
डैश प्रीतिः निरतिशया. द्विवचनं.
Tava. Yuvayoho. Yuvayoho dash dash. Next.
डैश कोलाहलः अधिकः जातः. बहुवचनं.
बहुवचनम युष्माकम. हाँ. 15.
डैश नियमपालनं करणीयं.
युष्माभिः. नियमपालनं करणीयं. 16.
डैश स्वच्छतया कार्यं कृतं. द्विवचनं.
युवां स्वच्छतया कार्यं कुरुत. 17.
कुत्र त्वं पाठं पठ.
त्वं पाठं पठ. Right. 18.
भोः राव आचार्यः डैश पृच्छति. एकवचनं.
भोः राव त्वाम्.
आचार्यः.
Acharya is also there. त्वां पृच्छति.
माता डैश अधिकं स्निह्यति. युष्मासु.
Last one. माता अधिकं
युष्मासु अधिकं स्निह्यति.
So we will rapidly sum it up by reading. Yushman adhyapakah ahvayati yuvam patatah. Third one, tava gruham asti yuvabhyam saha yuvabhyam krudhyati yushmat sa dure asti. Sixth, yuvayoh kataraha vaidyah. Seventh, tvayi dhairyam adhikam. Eighth, युवाभ्याम सह आंजनेयः सख्यम इच्छति. नाइन्थ, युष्मासु बहवः गुणाः सन्ति. शिक्षिका. टेन्थ, शिक्षिका युष्मान् बोधयति. 11, तुभ्यं व्याकरणं रोचते. 12, त्वत् धनं न स्वीकरोति. 13, युवयोः प्रीतिः निरतिशया. 14, युष्माकं कोलाहलः अधिकः जातः. 15, युष्माभिः नियमपालनं करणीयं. 16, युवां स्वच्छतया कार्यं कुरुतं. 17, पुत्र त्वं पाठं पठ भोः राव आचार्यः त्वां पृच्छति. 19, माता युष्मासु अधिकं स्निह्यति. Mother loves you all well. So these are the answers. Please follow them. We are going to another several exercises, 2 exercises coming up in the 2 pages. 3 more exercises, then we enter into a reading from Naishadhiya Charitam, from a Kavya of Mahakavi. So, shall we go? Abhyasah चतुर्त्रिंशत् अधिक शततमः अभ्यासः. चतुर्विंशत्यधिक शततमः अभ्यासः. 134th exercise. युष्मत् शब्दस्य रूपाणि लिखता. Write the forms of the declension of the pronoun word युष्मत्, what you have just learnt. Again practice the same. So here we go. Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. This is for your practice. The book is making you again recall. Tvam, you can go ahead.
Tvam,
Yuva, Yuyam. Tvam, double forms, don't worry in the beginning. Tvam, Tva, Yuvam, Yushman.
Tvaya,
Yuvabhyam, Yushmavihi. Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam. त्वत् युवाभ्याम युष्मत्. तव युवयोः युष्माकं. त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु. I will do it once again. त्वं युवां यूयं. Second, द्वितीया त्वां युवां युष्मान्. तृतीया त्वया युवाभ्याम युष्माभिः. चतुर्थी तुभ्यं युवाभ्याम युष्मभ्यं. पंचमी त्वत् युवाभ्याम युष्मत्. षष्ठी तव युवयोः युष्माकं. सप्तमी त्वयि युवयोः युष्मासु. So learn this, will help you a lot. Yushma Shabda and Asma Shabda. If it is better you write out and see how one is different. Yushmad is different from Asmad. So sound changes, but otherwise aham tvam. See, mam tvam. I am repeating the ekavachanas of Asmad. Aham tvam, mam tvam, maya tvaya, mahyam tubhyam, mat tvat, mama tava, mai tvayi. So comparatively, if you study ekavachanas, it's better. Aham tvam, mam tvam, maya tvaya, mahyam tubhyam, mat tvat, mama tava, mai tvayi. Plurals. Vayam yuyam. That poem we studied now. Vayam yuyam, vayam vayam yuyam ityasit matiravayoho. The previous class, Bhartrihari Suvajita I taught. You are like we were like you. Now yuyam, vayam vayam we become. So vayam yuyam, asman yushman, asmabihi yushmabihi, asmabhyam yushmabhyam, asmat yushmat, asmakam yushmakam, asmasu yushmasu. The vachanas are secondary. So Ekavachana, Dvivachana, you write them out and study. See the difference. So that is done. I think this need not be written now. 135 Abhyasa. What is the Sarva Shabdasya Upayukta Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. Now you fill in and complete the sentences with Sarva Shabda, appropriate Sarva Shabda. So how many? 10 we can do, Srinivas. Are you ready?
Yes. Dash Ratro
Visramam Kurvanti. Sarva Shabda. At once we are shifting from Yushmat to Sarva Shabda.
Sarvani.
No. Why Sarvani? Sarve. Sarvaha Sarvau Sarve. Sarva Shabda, where it came? Wait a minute, I will show you. Sarva Shabda came in which class and which page? Napumsaka is 290 given, but no differences Napumsaka and this. Yeah, it is come. Oh, where it is given Strilinga, then it is still.
273, sir.
Oh, you've gone there already.
Yes, Pullinga.
Yes, Pullinga. 273 means it comes in our lesson, 196th lesson. It was on 10th September, 196th lesson it comes, it is covered. So there you have Sarvaha Sarvau Sarve, Pullinga. Ratrau Visramam Kurvanti. All people take rest at night. Ratrau, at night. Visramam Kurvanti. Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. No, don't take that. Sarve Janaha Ratrau Visramam Kurvanti. Sarve Praninaha. Why only Janaha? Sarve Praninaha. Then what you said, Sarvani? You said Bhutani. Sarvani Bhutani Ratrau Visramam Kurvanti. If you use Bhuta Shabda, it is also good. Praninaha. Sarvani Bhutani Ratrau Visramam Kurvanti. But here Sarve Visramam Kurvanti would be better. Choice is yours. You can put Sarve or Sarvani. Sarvani also correct. Then what is implied? Bhutani. Yes. Second.
Dash Shishun Mata Lalayati. Sarvan Shishun Mata.
Yes, Sarvan Shishun Mata Lalayati. Mother fondles all the babies. Mother coaxes all her babies. Shishun, all her infants. Shishu means infant here. Shishun, Sarvan Shishun Mata Lalayati. Palayati cha. Na kevalam lalayati, palayati cha. Lalayanti, palayanti. While fondling them, she nourishes them. Third, Sarvan.
Dash
Bhrutyaihi karyam karayatu. Sarvaihi Bhrutyaihi karyam karayatu means make the work done by all the servants. Sarvaihi Bhrutyaihi karyam karayatu. Make all the servants do the work. Better, make all the servants do the work. That is the meaning. Make all. Sarvaihi. This is again in passive voice, Srinivas. Sarvaihi Bhrutyaihi karyam karayatu means let the work be done by all the. See that the work is done by all the servants. One way of understanding, correct, literal way of understanding is karayatu means get done. Get the work done by all the workers. Or make the workers do. A simple way of understanding. Then fourth. Same thing. Same. Sarvaihi mitraihi saha bhramati. Somebody is roaming along with his friends. Sarvaihi mitraihi saha bhramati kaschana purushaha. Somebody, some person is roaming with all his friends. with all his friends. Sarvaihi mitraihi. Now you may have a doubt here. Mitra Shabda is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Then Sarvaihi is used, but Sarva Shabda also in Napumsaka, same thing. From Tritiya to Saptamiya. So, no problem. Sarvaihi mitraihi saha. Fifth.
Dash nirdhanaya dhanam yachati.
Chaturthi. Sarvasmai nirdhanaya dhanam yachati. Some XYZ is giving money. Sarvasmai nirdhanaya dhanam yachati means XYZ is giving money to all the poor. Right? All the poor person. Wait a minute. We can also understand Srinivas. Sarvasmai nirdhanaya dhanam yachati means XYZ is giving money to every poor man. When it is Ekavachana, you can also translate every. Sarvasmai nirdhanaya. To every poor man he is giving money. Next.
Dash
Sixth, right. Atithibhyaha.
Bhojanam pachati.
So here, Chaturthi. Sarvebhyaha. Atithibhyaha. Bhojanam pachati. Somebody is cooking. Someone is cooking for the sake of all the guests. Atithibhyaha. Sarvebhyaha. 7.
Dash
Gramat.
ayam bhinnaha.
Sarvasmat gramat ayam bhinnaha. Sarvasmat gramat ayam gramaha bhinnaha. This village is different from every village, every other village. So how to understand this? This is different from every other village. Sarvasmat gramat ayam. What is ayam? This. Idam Shabda we studied. Ayam understood is gramaha. Because we are talking of village here. Sarvasmat gramat ayam implied gramaha bhinnaha. This village is different from every village. 8th.
Dash
Kapotebhyaha.
ayam pruthak asti.
We are here talking about doves, pigeons. Sarvebhyaha kapotebhyaha ayam kapotaha. Understood? Ayam kapotaha. This pigeon, pruthak asti, is different. This pigeon is different. The dove is different from all other doves. Got it? This pigeon, understood, is different from all other doves, pigeons. 9th.
Dash balakanam
Tulyam.
paridhanam asti.
Shashti. Sarvesham balakanam tulyam paridhanam asti vastram asti. All the students have the similar dress, garment. Paridhanam, dress. Sarvesham balakanam tulyam paridhanam, that is uniform. Like dress means here uniform. All the boys have the same uniform. Better you take it as uniform. Paridhanam means dress, garment, but here same garment means uniform only. So Sarvesham, 10th and the last one.
Chhatreshu uttamaha sushilaha.
Very simple. Sarveshu Chhatreshu is given. Sarveshu Chhatreshu uttamaha sushilaha. Some good charactered boy. Sushil is name, proper name, let us take it. Sushila means proper name also has a meaning. A person is called Sushila, one whose character is good. Su means good, Shilam is Su, Samyak Shilam Yasya Saha. One who has a good character is called Sushila. It can also be the name of a female person. Sushila. Su, Sundaram, Shobhanam, Shilam Yasyaha Sa. A lady whose character is good. Sushila, Sushilaha. Like Ramaha, Rama. Rama, we also say like that here. Sushila. So what is this? Sarveshu Chhatreshu Uttama Sushil. Mr. Sushil is the best among all the students. Sarveshu Chhatreshu. Mr. Sushil is the best. Sushilaha. Uttamaha, the best. So we go down here for writing. only 10 words are there. When I have a red pen, anyone is writing it? New? Okay. $135. Yes,
सर्वे रात्रौ विश्रामं कुर्वन्ति
सर्वे रात्रौ विश्रामं कुर्वन्ति. 2.
सर्वान् शिशून् माता लालयति
सर्वान् शिशून् माता लालयति. 3.
सर्वैः भृत्यैः कार्यं कारयतु
ते कार्यं कारयतु. 4.
सर्वैः
again same.
मित्रैः सह भ्रमति.
5.
सर्वस्मै निर्धनाय धनं यच्छति
6.
सर्वेभ्यः अतिथिभ्यः भोजनं पचति सर्वस्मात् ग्रामात् अयं भिन्नः
सर्वस् 8.
सर्वेभ्यः कपोतेभ्यः अयं पृथक् अस्ति
9th.
सर्वेषां बालकानां तुल्यं परिधानमस्ति
Any more?
सर्वेषु छात्रेषु उत्तमः सुशीलः.
Is it visible? Last word, just check it. Okay. So rapidly, सर्वे रात्रौ विश्रामं कुर्वन्ति, सर्वान् शिशून् माता लालयति, सर्वैः भृत्यैः कार्यं कारयतु, सर्वैः मित्रैः सह भ्रमति. 5th. सर्वस्मै निर्धनाय भोजनं धनं यच्छति. 6th. सर्वेभ्यः अतिथिभ्यः भोजनं पचति, सर्वस्मात् ग्रामात् अयं भिन्नः, सर्वेभ्यः कपोतेभ्यः अयं पृथक् अस्ति, सर्वेषां बालकानां तुल्यं परिधानमस्ति, सर्वेषु छात्रेषु उत्तमः सुशीलः. एवं 35-उत्तर-100तमः अभ्यासः अपि समाप्तः भवति. इदानीं 36-उत्तर-100तमः अभ्यासः करणीयः. 136th अभ्यास. Exercise with a few sentences. I think this is only to be filled up here, completing what we studied just now. Sarva Shabda once is recalled again here on page 273 in the this Sarva Shabda masculine is given on page 273 and in the video class of 196th class it was covered. So please we move on. Srinivas.
Sarvah sarvo
सर्वः सर्वौ सर्वे
सर्वं सर्वौ सर्वान् सर्वेण
सर्वाभ्यां सर्वैः सर्वस्मै
सर्वाभ्यां
सर्वेभ्यः
सर्वस्मात्
सर्वाभ्यां
सर्वेभ्यः सर्वस्य सर्वयोः
सर्वेषां
सर्वस्मिन् सर्वयोः
सर्वेषु. So it goes like that. They can refer to also 196th. Is it visible on the monitor?
Yes.
So one note is here. Let them see that. Avadheyam anya shabdasya napumsakalinge prathamayam dvitiyayam cha tulyani rupani bhavanti. Now when we also come across the pronoun anya different, the prathama dvitiya, the first case and the second case, nominative and the accusative, you know, every neuter noun is same in prathama and dvitiya. Trutiyataha anya shabdasya pullingasya iva rupani bhavanti. So every neuter noun follows its masculine noun from trutiya to saptami. Anya also does the same thing. So we move on to exercise 137. There isn't much here. Abhyasa adholikiteshu vakyeshu anya shabdasya uchitam rupam likata. Now you are supposed to write here anya. Anya is different. Yes. So somebody may be asking somebody here, Anyad mandiram kutra asti. Where is the other temple? Another temple. Where is the another temple? So anya you use appropriately, whether masculine, neuter, depending on the sentence here. So one.
Anye pustake anaya.
Now since pustaka is known to us a word of napumsakalinga shabda. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani, napumsakalinga, akaranta napumsakalinga, like vanam, vani, vanani. You have done it correctly. You have done it correctly, don't worry. Anye, you have said na, anyad anye pustake anaya. Bring the other two books. Anye pustake anaya. Supposing pustaka ke is dvivachana, if it were bahuvachana, pustakani. So you use anya shabda, anyani pustakani anaya. Anyani pustakani anaya. But here the answer is anye pustake anaya. Bring the other two books. Two.
Anyani yanani na santi.
You got it now, plural. Anyani yanani na santi. Other vehicles are not there. Other vehicles are not available. Anyani yanani na santi. Three.
Anye yane kutra gacchataha.
Again dvivachana. Anye yane kutra gacchataha. Verb also is clear. Where are the two other vehicles going? Kutra, where? Gacchataha are going. The other two vehicles. Anye yane vahane kutra gacchata. Where are the two other vehicles going? Four.
Anyani yanani kimartham na pashyasi.
Anyani yanani kimartham na pashyasi. Why can't you see the other vehicles? Why can't you see the other vehicles? Anyani yanani kimartham na pashyasi. Tvam, understood? Tvam kimartham na pashyasi. So why are you not able to see the other vehicles? 5.
Anyena yanena vayam gacchamaha.
It is easy going by the noun, picking up the pronoun. Anyena yanena vayam gacchama. We go by other vehicles. We go by other vehicles. Anyena, I'm sorry, ekavachana. Anyena yanena. We go by other vehicle. Anyena yanena vayam gacchamaha. 6.
Anyebhyaha
Yanebhyaha
arakshanam karotu.
So make reservation for other vehicles. Anyebhyaha yanebhyaha arakshanam means reservation. Karotu. You let him make reservation. Karotu is here. Or it could be bhavan karotu. If you understand, make the pronoun implied, it is bhavan. You make reservation for other vehicles or let him do the reservation for others. In both ways you can. 7.
Anyebhyaha mandirebhyaha etad bhinnam.
Anyebhyaha mandirebhyaha etad bhinnam asti. Understood. This temple is different from other temples. Got it? Anyebhyaha mandirebhyaha etad bhinnam asti. Asti is implied. 8.
Anyayoho gruhayoho ka sthitihi.
Yeah. Anyayoho gruhayoho ka sthitihi. What is the situation of other two What is the situation, condition of other two homes? Some such meaning. Gruhayoho. Anyayoho gruhayoho ka sthitihi. Next, 9.
Anyeshu nagareshu भ्रमणं कठिनम् अस्ति.
Yes, roaming about in other cities is difficult. Anyeshu nagareshu भ्रमणं कठिनम् अस्ति. Roaming about in other cities is difficult. Anyeshu nagareshu. 10.
अन्यानि फलानि ददातु.
Give me other fruits. Anyani phalani dadatu yachatu. 11. What happened?
Yasyanam kutra gacchati.
That is what you have to do. 11. Anyat yanam. Anyat yanam kutra gacchati. Where is the other vehicle going to? Where is the other vehicle going? Anyat yanam, another vehicle, kutra gacchati. Where is it going? 12. Anyat vakyam vadatu. Speak another sentence. Anyat vakyam vadatu. 13.
Anyani paranani api
Patitani. Other patitani. Other leaves also fell. Other leaves also fell. Anyani parnani api patitani. Other leaves also fell down. 14 and the last one.
Anye mitre api
Suchayatu. Now this is Dvitiya Dvivachana. Please remember, Mitra Shabda is used in Dvitiya Dvivachana. Mitram mitre mitrani. Mitram mitre mitrani. Anye mitre api suchayatu. Inform the other two friends also. Inform the other two friends also. I think we will stop here. Shubham Bhuyat. We will revise this exercise fast in the next class. Shubham Bhuyat.